If you're experiencing verification issues on Uber after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause verification attempts to fail. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data if necessary. Step 2. Update the Uber app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Uber app. Go to your device's app store, search for Uber, and check for any available updates. Download and install the latest version to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve any temporary issues. On your device, go to Settings, find the Uber app, and select the option to clear cache. This will remove any stored data that might be causing verification problems. Step 4. Verify your phone number. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Uber support. If the issue persists, reach out to Uber support for assistance. You can do this through the app by navigating to Help and selecting the relevant issue. Provide them with details about your verification attempts for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Uber. If problems continue, staying in touch with support will help ensure your account is properly verified.